Quite a lot of people don't know the importance of login password on Alipay. So if you have been finding it difficult to set your login password in your Alipay, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can set your login password in your Alipay. And why do you need to set your login password is because of the fact that most time you want to transfer your Alipay account from one phone to another. That's one of the reasons why you need to set your login password. And another reason why you need to set your login password is that sometimes by default system can log you out from the Alipay and you will be asked to enter your login password. If you fail to get your login password, you run into trouble and you may lose the Alipay account. So those are the reasons why you need to set your login password right now on Alipay. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how you set your login password step by step in Alipay. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Alipay Account. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, or you want me to procure link on 1688, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to procure link on Taobao, or you want me to procure your link on Pindodo, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Alipay. I'm going to click on here to access my Alipay account. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on me right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on settings icon at the top right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you go to account and security. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on login password. Next thing you want to do is to click on change now. At this point here, you'll be asked to enter between 8-digit number to 20-digit number at this point here, which can contain numbers, letters, and etc. So I'm going to enter the login password right here. So once you're done entering the login password, just click on save right here. So you can see password login set successful. So immediately everything is done successful, it will automatically connect the password login and take you back to your profile page in Alipay. So this is how you get it done, step-by-step tutorial, and how you can set your login password. So this Alipay account can be transferred to as many as possible phone. In fact, you can use this same login detail to log into your Alipay account on desktop or on laptop. So this is how you get it done, step-by-step tutorial, how you can set your login password for your Alipay account. I hope you really find this video useful. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this about Alipay topic. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.